Hi guys, welcome to Alios. Today we are here with the unboxing of a MI portable electric air compressor. This is a good thing for all the riders, drivers, or whoever has a vehicle, like even from cycle to a car. This is a needed thing. Okay, let us straight away get into unboxing. Just open the cover. This will cost you around 2,500, so you can buy it directly from the MI store. So here it is. The MI portable air compressor. So this can inflate your tire up to 45 psi, and I guess it's a chargeable one. So it has a 2000 milliamp hour battery inside, and you can charge it, and whenever your tires needs to be inflated, you can just plug it in and it will inflate it. So on the side in paper it says that it can inflate 5 tires car and a tire can take up to 6 minutes to charge. So, and for bike it can inflate up to 8 tires, and it can inflate it in some 8 minutes. Okay, so the package it shows around 3,500 rupees for it, but you get it for 2,000. Let's see what is inside. So in the package you get the inflator. It's quite light, or a bit heavy according to whatever inflators you already had, but it's heavy compared to some of the smaller bike inflators and all. So let us keep this here. You get a user guide, and I guess you get a carry case cover. Okay, yeah, this is quite good. Okay, it has a pouch inside. And much needed pins. So you get a okay, so you get a charging cable. Unfortunately, this is still a micro USB, not a C-type charger. C-type charger connector would have been better and faster. So this takes around 3 hours to charge completely. So this is what comes inside the package. I guess you can put your cables and these two inflators like plugs inside here, and the cable also can go in. So the manual shows you how to do all that. Let us and it has so this is the charging port. You can charge it over here. It has a cap so protect it from water getting inside also, and it has a LED light, warning light. Okay, let us go ahead and switch it on. So you can remove it like this, and this you can screw it to your tire. So when you remove it, it automatically switches on. Okay. And you have the light here. You can increase or decrease the tire pressure here. Mostly for cars it is 33, and you can just press it again to stop it. So when you are inflating a tire, it stops automatically once it reaches the desired PSI levels. So yeah, I'll put it on charge for 2 to 3 hours so that it charges completely, and then I can test it on a tire, and I can maybe later put a video showing how much time it actually takes to inflate and a bike tire and a car tire. You can do a comparison. You can check it on a bicycle. Yeah guys, so that is it. I guess that's all about the new MI portable electric compressor. This is a wireless one. That is the main advantage of this one. So you can actually carry it for riders. I would say this is a must to have. Previously we used to have the wired ones, which the small wired ones and all, but this I feel this is a much better option to have. So that wraps this video. See you guys again. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe the channel. Thanks.